In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a normal map in Blender. Let's get started. First of all, make any object you want normal map. I will go for this design. Why make this object? First of all, I hide this object and press Ctrl F, add a plane. Now what I will do, go press tab and go to edit mode and right click, press subdivide and go to subdivide properties, and I will go for the 10 subdivisions. Now make sure you are in a face selected mode and select the faces. Now right click, go to loop tools and circle. If you didn't have a loop tools, then or you can go to edit preference, and if you have a Blender 4.2, then go to get extension and search for the loop tools. And if you have older version, then go to add-ons and search for loop tools and check this box. So when you create the circles, press delete and delete the faces. You will get this shape. So go to modifier tabs and add a subdivision modifier. And you will get the circles. And make sure you will right click and make the shade auto smooth. So first of all, add a plane and adjust the size to the object. After adjusting, make sure to apply the scale by pressing Ctrl A, and make sure to adjust the plane above the object. So what we do now, go to shading tab and add a material on the plane and add a image texture node. Search for image texture and add a new image. Give the name any name. I go for a normal and adjust the texture size as you want. I will go for the 2K and click on new image, and make sure you will set the color space to non-color, because in the RGB it will reflect on the normal map lights also. So make sure you select the non-color. So now select the object and then select the plane. Make sure the plane has been correctly selected and it will be yellow, not orange. And also select the image texture. Make sure to select this image texture. Then go to render tab and make sure you will set the GPU compute in the cycles. Go to bake tab and bake type to normal and check the selected active and set the size to below, as I will go for the 2 pixels, and also max samples to 2 or 1 as you want. Click on bake. I wait for a few minutes, it will bake. Yeah, here it will bake the textures. So I will hide the below mesh and on this plane. Now I will apply the normal map on the principal BSDF. First I will hide this object, below object, and select the plane, drag the color and search for the normal map, not normal. Make sure normal map and color and plug the normal into normal. Here's the normal map. You can also now adjust the size of this design on the normals by press Ctrl T. If you didn't see anything happen by pressing Ctrl T, make sure to go to edit preference add-ons and search for node wrangler and check this box. Now you will set the scale as you want, like 10. It will create a beautiful design like this. Make sure to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching the video.